Statistics say that over 95% of traders fail. Now, we read that all the time, and it really shows up in marketing material for the latest and greatest trading system. Now, that number is enough to make anybody doubt their own ability to find trading success. For all the mention of the 95%, though, it does bring up some important questions and highlights an aspect that you must have to have any chance of success. Now, for a few $100s, anybody can open up a trading account and buy or sell an instrument. Using the following standard definition, that would make this person a trader. A trader is a person or entity in finance who buys and sells financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and derivatives in the capacity of agent, hedger, or speculator. Now, it doesn't matter if the person found their way into the markets via a $97 ebook or through years of training and experience. They're grouped in the same category. It also does not matter if person A is losing money and person B is making money. They are both classified as traders. Football player. A football player, footballer, or soccer player is a sports person who plays one of the different types of football. Now, if someone asks what I do, if I own a football and I play on the weekends, I certainly would not say I'm a football player. Saying I was a football player would suggest that I play football for a living, which I don't, but the definition fits. So the question becomes, when can you call yourself a trader? Now, I don't have an exact answer that's going to suit you because we're all different, but I think it's an important question for you to ask yourself. So some ideas that you can ponder if you reach a goal that you set for yourself in terms of consistency. If you've taken a laser-focused approach on your trading method, trading risk, and trading psychology. Or if you're displaying the same characteristics of certain traders that you admire. If all of this sounds like semantics, that's fine. In the trading world, I think it's vitally important to be very clear on all aspects of the business, from your trading method and risk all the way down to labels. In order to say someone has failed, we must know what the ultimate goal was for them. So if the goal for someone placing a trade was to be able to meet all financial obligations in their life, they fail when they give up on that quest due to some pitiful results that they're getting. If the goal was for extra income to cover a car payment and they meet that goal, well, they didn't fail, they succeeded. So is a blown account a sign of failure? Any trader that's found success has probably lost money and no doubt has had to replenish their account. They didn't fail with a blown account if they accounted for that occurrence and had a plan to continue on the road of experience. Planning on losing money as you become educated is actually rooted in reality. So the question becomes, when can you say you actually failed? Again, that's up to the individual. However, I believe that the 95% statistic comes from brokers where traders are losing more than they make. Still, I don't believe that you can call them failed traders until the time that they close up their trading business. It's never a direct line to profits when you begin placing trades. Many times during the start, you're going to lose more than you win. It's going to be tough. And it's probably going to take a few years to gain any sort of consistency. And for many, it'll be the toughest thing that they've ever attempted. You're going to lose money at first. And if an equity curve that heads north is your expectation and a measure of your success, you're going to be disappointed. You're going to be frustrated and you're going to feel like a failure. You're going to fall into the traps that finish off accounts such as revenge trades and too much risk. You need something else that'll keep you fighting for your dream. And that is an absolute passion for trading and everything that makes up the business. Passion is the only thing that you can't buy when it comes to trading. It cannot be taught. From the analysis to the record keeping and review, you'll want to approach your trading desk with passion. Now, one of the reasons there are only so many professional athletes, high-end surgeons, top business people, and of course, successful traders is that they have an undying and strong passion for what they do. So ignore that 95% failure rate. Okay, it's a number that you can't really quantify. The only thing that can be is how you approach what you do and the results that you get. Everything else is just noise.